Hey everyone, my name is Paul, and today we're going to find out if you can take a Chinese scooter off-road. I'll be using my tilting rack and the RAV4 to load up the scooter. I built my own heavy-duty hitch so it can carry dirt bikes or whatever other stupid stuff I want. I can just roll the scooter up here and strap it down to the rack. I have a third strap to the spare tire just in case. Okay, let's go. For my RAV4 fans out there, it's running great on the highway with the new cylinder head. I'm going 75 and it's not even struggling. Utah has some really pretty mountains. I'm coming up on 5 Mile Pass. Those half circles on the right are berms you can ride on. Okay, we've arrived. It's 45 miles from my house. Chinese scooters are constantly falling apart, so I need to be careful out here. No, that's boring. I'll be reckless, but I'll stay close to the car. Unloading with the tilting rack is very easy. I have vice grips and duct tape. It's a little chilly, so I have mittens. So I think I'm ready. That's nice. It turned off. That's okay. I'm gonna check out this little hill right here. The engine died. That sucks. It died and it won't start back up. I can't say I'm surprised. I'm glad I brought those vice grips. Let's open this panel up. And my spark plug isn't connected to anything. The wire is just chilling over here. I'll hook that back up. Let's see if it runs now. Yeah! That spark plug wire didn't have enough slack in it when the suspension bottomed out. I need to take care of that. Let's get the seat compartment out of the way. The spark plug wire was going around the starter solenoid. Now it's not snagging on anything. Check out those deer. Okay, let's get back to scooting. The scooter's not very happy about the steep up and down stuff. It just keeps dying on me. I think I'm gonna go maybe a little bit more mellow stuff for a minute, but still stay close to the car. Where are my mittens? Where'd they go? Sorry. Just kidding about mellow. That hill is super steep and rocky. Well, the scooter does great on steep rocky hills if you can keep it running. I'm gonna go down here and see if there's a little baby jump I can find. This shit's steep as fuck. Might slide out. Okay. Yeah, no problem. No problem at all. Some good tires. That was a jump. Well, the scooter did great on the hill climb, and it didn't even break when I jumped it. I'm impressed. The final test is these fancy turns. Well, I'm going to count that as a win. The scooter only broke once and I didn't even have to walk. Turns out Chinese scooters are pretty good off-road. It makes sense. The 150cc engine has a decent amount of power. Got these big meaty tires on here and it's pretty lightweight. Oh, and I also make scooter repair videos. Be sure to check those out.